Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing BTURIDL or Bturidl, I don't know how to read that. And basically, we have it here on their website. So as you can see, they sell chairs like this. So they sell retractable chairs and pull-out chairs from underneath so that your feet can rest and it can recline. Also comes with a cup holder and it comes in an array of colors right here. So if you're wondering if this website is legit, and as you can see, they also sell drawers. So if you're wondering if the site is legit, let's head on over here to Trustpilot and see that they are rated bad, which is 1.6 out of 5 stars for 21 reviews. And let's head on over here to see some reviews. So they're scammers, scam alert, deceive, 0 stars, horrible, do not use them, scam, 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 scam again, and another scam. Flim flam, total scam again, total scam. And basically, a lot of people are saying that they're a scam, so please refrain from using this site. They have a lot of negative reviews, and if you're planning on buying from this, I advise you to not, or at least do some research before buying them. And basically, this is, I think, all the evidence you need to not buy from this website. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.